Nina. For the mask. For Sabrina.
Sabrina. Just mice and some spiders. Possibly a rat.
You're so brave. Was it really scary up there?
I thought it would be worse. It was actually kind of cool. I might move up there.
Do you think she was brave? Sorry. Silence.
Who would write that about you?
I do have a hunch. Maybe.
You mean Joy?
This isn't Joy.
Yeah, no way. Joy would never stoop this low.
Oh, come on. Break it down, people. Who's jealous of Nina? Joy. Who'd like to get Nina out the way? Joy. You see? My plan totally worked after all. Mick wants to meet me in the laundry room tonight. I obviously made him wild with jealousy, and now he wants to apologize for his bad behavior with Mara and kiss and make up.
I'm sure that's true if he's the one who sent the message.
Of course he is. Nina, sometimes I think you miss so much because you're an American.
Don't threaten me, Daphne. I'm already in it.
Oh, so Nina, you're down to write the film script. That's kind of your thing, right? Fabes and I, director and camera operator, and the camera should be arriving this evening.
Sounds like you two will be spending a lot of time together.
While the writer's stuck alone in her room. Yeah? Well, think again, sister.
Go, Nina.
It's so obvious she likes him.
You don't say. Question is, do you?
What's that supposed to mean?
Okay, last term you and Fabian were like best friends, and this term you're like...
Best friends.
Thought so. You two need some serious Fabina time. Leave it with me.
Amber.
What?
It's kind of annoying, and you're not going to find anything by knocking on the floor like that. A locket doesn't open this. An amulet does.
Maybe it's mine. Maybe I'm the chosen two. Not even a door recognizes my talent. Nina, look!
Help me, Sarah Frobisher Smythe. Okay, good knocking, Amber.
You're the chosen one, yet you can't figure out a falls-out table.
Sorry.
Hey, Nance, I've got something that's going to help us find treasure. Ta-da!
An MP3 player.
A state-of-the-art MP3 player, which also works as a digital recorder. My dad thought I might use it for homework revision. Like, that would happen.
I'm sorry, Amber, but you lost me.
Sometimes you are so slow, Nina. We can record all that stuff from those sphericals onto it.
Cylinders.
That's what I said. So that's from going up and down the creepy attic every 5 minutes.
Amber, I'm not going to say this a lot, but you're a genius.
What was that, Nina? You think I'm a genius?
Until now. Just shh.
I think the bling must be hidden behind another secret panel, like the one in the attic. What do you think?
I think you may be right, but maybe we should talk about this somewhere more private. We can kiss the mask goodbye.
Don't worry, it could be worse. Really good at.
Whoever you are!
For being there for me.
Sorry, I had to be
Study buddy. We know.
Both have free periods, so I thought maybe
Hey, check out my new playlist. It's major.
I'm going to the home to visit Sarah.
Excuse me, you're going on a fact-finding trip and you didn't invite me? 2 seconds while I fix my face.
So, are we going into town?
I can do, boo. Do not go without me. I won't fit in the cake tin.
Amber, your face!
Where's Fabian? We need hopscotch practice.
He's kind of busy with his study buddy.
Joy, we're taking Fabian.
What? No, I need him. The smoke machine's not working. We've got no smoke.
Sorry, this is far more important.
What's more important?
We're playing hopscotch.
See, she likes it.
This is moisturizer. It's really good for your skin.
Amber.
It's okay. It'll make you look younger. Well, not exactly younger. It's not miracle cream, but...
Let's save the infomercial for later, Amber.
No!
It's not that bad. Is it that bad?
Amber, you look like a balloon animal.
I knew it.
Amber, you know I love you.
Hey, Rainy Face, what's wrong?
And then they...
Bullet points.
Fabian kissed Joy. I need to do something important for me. Just don't let Fabian come find me. I need to be alone. Will you do that?
Did he just dump me?
You bet he did.
Nina, what do I do?
Go after him, I think.
Got it. What's this bit for?
You talked to Nina. It was an accident.
Fell on Joy's lips, did you?
Flower.
It's a cactus. It's just... I love him, Nina. I really love him. I messed it all up. And now I'm messing up the recording.
It's okay. Doesn't matter about all that. It'll be fine. It's okay.
I just really need to talk to Nina.
She's not at the house. She's in there. You are not going in the girls' toilet, baby. Not now, not ever.
So no one say a word, okay? Not even a peep.
I can do quiet, thank you, Nina. If it's absolutely called for. You'll see. Peep free. So, what are we doing again?
What were you doing in there?
It's called research. Didn't you hear what he said about experiments? That's why Victor had a cat. He was using it to experiment on. See? I'm a genius.
She's got a point.
Amber, look, I really need to talk to her. It's not just about the kiss. I'm worried she's in danger. Look, everything from the dream, it came true.
Except you didn't kiss Nina. She's in no danger of being hurt. At least not from the spirit.
But we can't just go. For Nina, for the mask, and her gran. Sabina all over that.
How about we do a story about a young girl who loses her parents in mysterious circumstances when they steal some treasure from an Egyptian pyramid. And then the girl's brought up by a weird guardian in a big old house. But then the guardian tries to steal the treasure, and the girl has to try to stop him. But then she gets help from some friends from the future. And they find the treasure. Happy, and the friends are very rich. And they all live happily ever after. The end.
Hey, well done, Amber. Yeah, that sounds promising. Do you want to have a go at writing up an outline in time for the next session?
I think I might need some help with that. Nina?
I don't think it's me you should be apologizing to. It's Nina.
You wrote that posting. I knew it. Classy, Joy. Of course I'm staying out of trouble.
Amber, we're in trouble. I'll need this. Grab that. Come with me.
What's...
Fabian, hide. But this one has the symbols we're missing.
Can you hold, please, Daddy?
Nina Martin, you have something that belongs to me, and I want it back.
Hurry. My parents are leaving for the Valley of the Kings.
Go, Nina. She should totally get an agent. And it's definitely better today.
Of course. Just had to master Amber's look for prom. After all, it's
It is a very long way off.
true. But hey, it's never too early to get ready, right? Anyway, I think we cracked it.
Mine, I think. And if you ever try to pull a stunt like that again.
My bad, Victor. What is it anyway? Got it?
Yep.
So now
now that we know what it's called, maybe we can finally find some info online about this zodiac.
And find out what my Egyptian star sign is.
Just like us. How did Sankara even get to her? I don't even know how long she's been cursed for. She started getting sick when she was staying here.
Sankara's one mean spirit lady.
We failed the constellation task. It's game over for all of us. Because of me.
Hey, Joy, really not a good time.
Yeah. Well, I just wanted to say sorry. For the Jackal Anonymous thing, I mean. I guess it was a slow news day.
It's fine, Joy. You're right. Maybe I wasn't taking enough care of my crown.
Nina, admit to nothing. Joy, if you have something to say to any of us, you should have the courage to say it to our faces, not write it on a website pretending to be someone else. If anyone in here should be embarrassed, it's you. Just my opinion. I used up all my minutes voting on Celebrity Pop Factor last month.
Amber, I hope your contestant won.
No, can you believe it after all I did for her? We'll have to use your phone.
Oh, there must be a way to shut that trap off.
There is.
Look! Look! Hello, insensitive. He's even learning hopscotch for you. No boy has ever done that for me.
Has it ever come up?
No.
And I need volunteers for service.
Quick, just come back. Grab something.
The sun is where, exactly?
Allergies. She had a reaction to her, face mask.
Dude.
Amber. Amber.
Where did she go? Nina! I put that down to a brain typo.
Amber, what are you talking about?
Why? What are you talking about?
Dreams?
Me too. I'll lend you this book I have. It's really good.
12 seconds later.
And then next, count your breaths. Each breath, imagine yourself walking down a staircase, one step at a time. And then the beaver. Fabian, I hate to play victim, but seeing as I heroically took one for the team, it's just too heavy. If we carry on, we lose everyone. But if we don't, we're losing it forever. Yes! Yay, you're going to Hollywood. Are you sure there are no creases in this? Look, I feel a crease. Is this a crease?
What? Darkness of her eyes must not delay you.
Oh, please don't. Please don't what? Don't change that top. It looks lovely.
Have you opened a window? It's freezing.
Actually, I need some fresh air. Come with me.
I just had the weirdest dream.
Me too. I was a personal shopper for Lady Gaga and she tipped me in salami. What was yours?
I can't remember.
Nina, can you hear me?
Yes!
She's okay.
She's okay.
Did you get it?
Cow, sheep, dog, duck, cat.
Yeah, moo, bow, woof, quack, meow.
What? Do I not get 5? I saw the smoke.
You get a 3. Maximum. Are you planning a picnic? Supplies for Nina. We need to get into Sweetie's office and throw them down the grill to her. She'll be starving.
Or we could spend that time trying to work out how to save her.
Nina needs her fruit and veg. Do you want her to get scurvy?
But Nina is trapped somewhere, right? And if I help you in this game, we get her out?
Yeah. And you really trust her to do that, do you? After everything Joy's done and knowing how she feels about Nina.
Amber, are you saying that I deliberately throw the game in order to leave Nina down there?
Yes, actually. Nina, you'll never believe the dream Fabian and I both had last night.
The spirit pushed me down the chasm.
Wow, that was a really good guess. What if I have the mark? I have flawless skin. I'm going to throw you down some food.
Thank you. I'm starving.
Of course Patricia should be starving.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay, Nina, just okay?
Totally. Good call, Fabes. We don't want her to know we're totally starved. The Nina, the Alfie, for the mask.
Sabuna.
I brought them supplies from the machine.
I think you're all insane.
And that is why you'll never be a Sabuna.
You should get some sleep, Amber. You need it as much as Alfie does.
No, I want to help.
Might be easier to read if I turn the light on.
No, please don't.
Okay. The doll riddle.
Doll riddle. We don't have time for a rookie recap. Nina, I'm sending down his favorite snacks. Look after him for me, won't you? Of course I will.
I just had to hear your whiny British yak and I turned to mush. You've been hanging out with Amber way too much.
Yeah, whatever. Just hold the mirror.
This was meant to hold the Book of Isis, but didn't. Let's see if it holds something else now.
So there's an excuses book in there too, because if Jasper comes back, we're gonna need them.
Joy, breathe. This is how we roll.
Yes! Let's go.
Amber, what are you...
I get low blood sugar.
Go on.
Nina?
Okay, wait. Wait.
A few inches later.
I'm clear. And uni. Oh, wow. I say this with love, but you really need a shower.
There is nothing I'd like more.
Yay! Nina, you're glowing.
Thanks.
No, you lock it.
Could you read this out loud?
I know this may seem like the strangest way of telling you I'm not coming back. But I know that if I told you in person, I'd just break down and cry. I found out that the Assyrian and the Chosen One have to be kept apart or terrible things will happen. I started to tell Eddie, then my grandma got ill again, and that's when I decided I wasn't coming back.
Make sure they are straight. You want to give Mr. Z-Stack the very best impression tonight.
I thought we were doing cutlery, not structural engineering. For Nina, the mask. For Sabina.
Sabina.